However, the angels say, I asked this man about Allah's Tawheed, Allah's oneness, who is his Lord, he is telling me some other story. They return back to Allah. Say, Allah, you sent us to a bande ke paas bheja, ajeeb banda hai. Hum usse पूछते हैं तुम्हारा रब कौन है, वो कह रहा है मैं मेरा गौस पाक का धोबी. There is no similarities, there is no connection to the question and answer. How are you going to put this together? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, leave him in the state he is. He served my beloved Ghaus. Therefore he is exempt from the question, because those who stay close to my beloved servants become my beloved. And when they become my beloved, they would surely know who I am. पहचानते हैं जब मैं किसी बंदे को महबूब बना लेता, when I befriend somebody, how can he not know me? If you go around and you tell, I love my wife, the wife say, I love you, and then you can turn around and say, I don't know her. ये कैसा हो सकता है? So, linking yourself to get close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Sahaba asked the Nabi, Ya Rasulullah, is Allah close or Allah far away from us? Allah sends the ayah again. The Qur'an is full of these rules and regulations and teachings. Go back to the Qur'an and ask the Qur'an, where do we get Allah's love and where do we get Allah's closeness? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says very clearly in the Holy Qur'an, قُلْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهِ. If you want to become beloved, قُلْ, tell them. Tell who? Tell you. Tell the world. Tell mankind. Tell the human race. Tell the universe. Tell every atom in the universe. قُلْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهِ. If you want to become the beloved of Allah, فَاتَّبِعُونِي. They must follow me. They must follow you, Ya Rasulullah. Because if they follow you, they are following Allah. If they are obedient to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they are obedient to Allah. If they love the Nabi, they love Allah. So, this is the link that Allah has put, because we are insignificant. We don't have the courage to see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and then worship Him and then make His sajda. So you look for His beacons that He has said, like the Kaaba is the beacon of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's sajda. You make sajda in front of the Kaaba, you have made sajda in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That sajda you make here is also in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but this sajda and that sajda is totally different. Therefore the ushaq and the great imams of deen, like Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala says, haram ki zameen aur qadam rakh ke chalna. Everywhere you walk on your feet, everywhere on this earth, the only mode of movement is your feet. Nobody walks on his hands. हाथ पर कोई नहीं चलता, पैर से चलता है. But the Imam, an Ashiq Sadiq of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the Shaykh al-Islam wal-Muslimin, the man who shook the world with the tip of his pen, he says, haram ki zameen. This is the zameen of the haram of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Madina Munawwara. Haram ki zameen aur qadam rakh ke chalna. He said the haram, the sacred land of Madina Munawwara is not a land where you walk on your feet. Are sar ka mauqa hai o jaane wale. Here you walk on your head, because Allah's Muqaddas Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam is buried here. He is teaching you adab. He is teaching you how to behave with Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Why he is teaching you to behave? Because if you behave correctly with the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are actually behaving correctly with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So he's a direct door, and he's a direct representative of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whoever has pleased Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has pleased Allah. For that matter, you come down the chain, whoever has pleased the wali of Allah, he has pleased the Nabi. And whoever has pleased the Nabi has pleased Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. Inshallah tabaraka wa ta'ala, I will serialize this talk and I will go into the mystical world of numbers, whereby through numbers and to understanding numerology you will understand that the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the core of the universe. He is the central focal point, and he is the source from which Allah created the entire universe, and we are all created through the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And inshallah ta'ala, I will take you on further on this journey, and then we will discuss more details and more mystical dimensions about the person and personality of the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So the theme of the talk that we are now the serializing is that Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the core of the universe. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala हमें अदब अता फरमाए. अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला हमें जो बेनमाजी है या अल्लाह अपने फजल से उनको नमाजी बना दे. इलाही आलमीन हमें जो बीमार है उनको शिफा अता फरमा, जो हम में परेशान है उनकी परेशानियों को दूर फरमा, हमें जो बेरोजगार है अपने फजल से उनको रोजी से लगा दे, और मुसलमान के रोजी में, उनके कमाई में, आल में, औलाद में, तिजारत में बरकत अता फरमा. इलाही आलमीन जो इस दुनिया से चले गए उनकी मगफिरत फरमा. व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन.